Great question from Quora. How could a trademark ensure it will be respected worldwide? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. On this channel, I answer questions like this all the time. I've answered hundreds of questions, and if you want to learn something new about brands, about trademarks, about intellectual property, about entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel, and there will be always something new that you can learn. And going back to this question, how can a trademark ensure it will be respected worldwide? Well, here's my answer. Read my lips. You can't. There is no such thing as worldwide protection for trademarks. Trademarks are protected on a per country basis. There are international treaties that allow you to file a single application and assign a list of trademarks where you want that application to go to. First of all, those treaties don't cover every single country out there. Second, you would still have to deal with individual trademark offices in all those countries. So when you get those registrations, you will be getting separate trademark registration certificates from all of those jurisdictions. And those countries that are not part of those international treaties, you have to file there directly. So there's no way to ensure that a trademark will be automatically respected worldwide. Trademarks are national, they're not international. So if you want to protect your brand everywhere, in every single country in the world, prepare to spend a lot of money and a lot of time filing a trademark in every single country in the world. Most businesses don't have to do that. All they need to do is just pay attention to the markets that are really important to them and file their trademarks there. And only the multinational, multi-billion-dollar corporations file their trademarks pretty much everywhere. Unless you're at that level, don't worry about it. You probably don't need a trademark in Zambia or Nauru or some country nobody's ever heard of. Focus on jurisdictions that matter to you, that matter to your market, and just go from there. Now, I hope this answers your question. If it does, make sure you like this video. Like I said, post a comment below with your feedback, with your questions. Make sure you subscribe, and until then, I'll see you in the next video.